Hi friends, it's Miss Nadeau. I am at home and I'm in my studio at my house, and I wanted to show you how you can make a sketchbook at home. You can use the paper that we sent home yesterday in your Genius bag, or you can just use scrap paper from your recycling bin or any other paper that you have laying around your house. Okay, are you ready? Okay friends, you're going to need a stapler, a piece of cardboard or a harder piece of paper. You could cut up a cereal box. These are little pieces of tag board that come in the boxes of cat food that our cat likes to eat. But just something that's a little bit harder than a piece of paper, so that if you take your sketchbook out on an adventure, you have something a little bit harder that you can write on, so it's not all floppy. And then grab a stack of papers. These are just some smaller papers that I had cut up to make snowflakes with earlier in the year, and I just had them laying around in my studio, and I thought I could use those to make a sketchbook. So take maybe like 5 or 6 pieces of paper and cut them all to be the same size, and then cut your harder piece of like tag board or cardboard to be the same size too. You'll also need a pair of scissors to cut those. Once you have all of those things, you'll be ready to get started. I have my papers all cut. I have my cardboard. I'm going to stack them all together and make sure they're all lined up nice and neat by tapping them on my table. Then I'll take my stapler, and if your papers are too thick, it will not staple very well, so you might have to take some out. And I'm going to press down. You might need to have a parent help and put at least 2 staples at the top. You really don't need more than that. If your book is really big, your sketchbook's really big, you might need more. But just 2 at the top is a good idea. And then you can draw on your sketchbook this way, or you can draw on it this way. You can draw it in any way. You could start in either. I suggest starting up at the top so that you have that nice board at the bottom. And then you can take it with you wherever you go to create with. You could even, if your sketchbook's small enough, like this one's small enough, I could turn it into a flip book, which is super cool. And I'll post a video on how to make a flip book another time. But I hope you have fun making a sketchbook today with your family. You don't have to make a sketchbook, but it's just a fun idea. So if you go for a walk, you have something to draw on. I miss you. I hope you're having fun.